Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will try to find out the value of log 7 plus 4 root 3 base 7 minus 4 root 3. So, how we will solve this problem? We'll go with the basics. Like we know that log a, let's copy paste 7 minus 4 root 3. So, log a to the base b is what? Is a number. So which kind of this number is following which kind of property? That when this number will be raised on b na, 7 minus 4 root 3 power x will produce 7 plus 4 root 3. Now from here it's bit tricky. Like in previous illustrations you have observed that like those numbers can be like distributed into product of primes, correct? But look at this, these two numbers are super ugly. So how we will manipulate this thing? So the idea is, suppose, like do you remember this thing? Like whenever you will have problem with irrational number, do exactly rationalization. You know the answer of this thing very like so many years back. Like if you have problem with irrational number, do rationalization. So suppose that we guys have problem with this number. This number is 7 minus 4 root 3. So what I will do? I will do rationalization. How does rationalization works? So sir, it is, if it is a minus b, multiply and divide with a plus b. If it is a plus b, multiply and divide with a minus b. So it is a minus b. So I'll go with a plus b. 7 plus 4 root 3. 7 plus 4 root 3. Is that okay? Now, look at this. So observe the numerator. So it is a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So it is 7 square, 49 minus 48. Yes, 49 minus 48 is nothing but 1. 7 plus 4 root 3. So this is nothing but 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Means we guys can write down this number as 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3 whole power x. This means that we guys can write down this thing as 7 plus 4 root 3 power minus 1 power x. You know that power to the power will become multiply. Okay, so 7 plus 4 root 3 becomes minus x. And here 7 plus 4 root 3. Now bases are equal. So we guys can compare the power that sir 1 will be equal to minus x and x will be equal to minus 1. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.